Welcome to AI Evening News. Here are today's overseas AI stories at a glance. Notion just pulled every Anthropic model from its platform after Opus started failing. The company's status page confirmed that Opus 4.7 and 4.8 hit degraded performance, causing high failure rates for users who picked those models. Rather than wait, Notion disabled all Anthropic models in the model picker and rerouted traffic to other providers. Most users could keep working with minimal disruption, but anything depending on Claude was temporarily gone. Hours later, Notion's head of product clarified that the issue was a service outage, not a model quality problem. Access has since been restored.
ByteDance's video editor Jianying is about to drop Seedance 2.0, and the launch date is June 15th. The company says the new model generates video faster and costs less than the current version. Jianying is positioning this as a first-mover launch, getting the model to creators before anyone else does. To sweeten the deal, they are running a discount on the rollout day. No benchmark numbers yet, but faster and cheaper is exactly what the short video creator market wants to hear right now.
OpenAI reportedly wants to turn ChatGPT into a super app within weeks. The plan is to move beyond the single chat box and fold in Codex, multi-step agents, image generation, and third-party apps like Canva and Booking. A senior employee reportedly said, "Chat is dead," meaning the old one-box interface is being replaced. The goal is to convert free users into paying customers for enterprise tools and coding products. OpenAI still is not profitable, and this is a direct response to Anthropic and Google closing the gap. The rollout reportedly starts on web and mobile within weeks. The head of Codex just launched a 100-day challenge. Every single day, his team picks one user who built something impressive or genuinely useful with Codex. That winner gets 10 times the normal usage cap for a full month. The idea is to see what power users can do when limits disappear. The first pick drops tomorrow. If you have been bumping against the Codex ceiling, this is your shot. AI tokens are about to get more expensive, and it is not slowing down. TechCrunch calls it the Tokenpocalypse. The big AI companies are planning IPOs, and that means proving they can actually make money. Free and cheap tokens were a growth strategy, not a business model. Now Anthropic, Microsoft, and others are nudging prices up. If you have been building on cheap inference, this is the heads up. The free token era may be ending. One of OpenAI's earliest custom chip engineers just walked across the street to Anthropic. Clive Chan spent about 2.5 years at OpenAI, working on the Broadcom chip partnership that is supposed to ship in the second half of this year. His new role at Anthropic has not been disclosed. Reuters has reported that Anthropic is considering its own custom AI chip, though the effort is early stage with no dedicated team yet. Chan's move could help Anthropic build that hardware team faster. If this briefing helped, subscribe so tomorrow's signal finds you first.